Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to review the Blockies Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga Superhero Series 1. So this is the box art. Thank you very much again, Blockies, for sending this to me for unboxing, review, and customization. So sa box, you have the photo or the image rendering, the 3D render of Iron Man. Tapos ang ganda, holographic pa yung effect niya. And Thor dun sa kabila namang side. Then Blockies figures, FH10 building toys 81110. Yan mga momser. Sobrang angas nito mga momser. So ang makukuha natin dito, Secret Mark 85. Siguro mas shiny yung paint niya. Tapos Mark 85 na normal, Mark 7, Rescue, Thor, Captain America, Loki, Black Panther, Thanos, and Hulk. So yan. Okay. Thank you very much again, Blockies, for sending this to me. Early access tayo mga momsers sa kanilang mga toys for unboxing, review, and customization. Okay? So ito yung mga hashtag natin, Blockies Marvel, yan, Blockies Transformers, nakapag-review na rin tayo, and of course, again, thank you very much, Blockies. Diba? Mga sponsors natin yan. So unahin natin, i-arrange natin to based dito sa diagram na nakikita natin. So Mark 85, this one. So Mark 85, Mark 7, si Rescue dito. Tapos Thor, line up lang natin sila. Thor, Captain America, yan, Loki. Teka, Loki. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun, Black Panther, Thanos, and the Hulk. So, yan na ang lineup natin for review. So, simulan na natin dito sa isa. Kay Iron Man Mark 85. So, let's go into the details niya. Wait lang zoom in lang natin. Yan. So, sa lahat ng Blockies na gantong line, yung Marvel line, meron siyang base. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon shape na base, para mas kung gusto niyo lagyan ng base for display, pwede naman, di ba? Kung gusto niyo mas naka-display sila ng dynamic pose, pwede rin naman. So teka, naputol lang. Pwede naman natin balik yan. Ang gusto ko dito kay Blockies, this is sa akin kasi ang ginagawa namin dito, this is a family building time. So nag-enjoy kami ng family ko sa pagbubuo nito, kaya thank you very much again, Blockies, dahil nagkakaroon kami ng family time together na nagbi-build kami together. Yan, habang nanonood ng mga Marvel movies, nagbi-build din kami ng Blockies ng mga Marvel na action figures or toys and collectibles. So this one, Iron Man Mark 85. Teka, kunin ko lang yung paintbrush ko. So yung color scheme niya, gold, red, look at the chest piece, arc reactor, hindi siya umiilaw, non-LED, pero grabe articulation ito. Kasi lahat ng joints niya halos ball joint lahat. Yan. Tapos may mga silver parts lang dito. Okay. Then you have the gauntlet design. Tapos meron din siya mga alt hands. Yung mga alt hands nilagay ko na lang din dito sa plastic container para hindi mawala. Meron din siya mga relaxed hands. Okay? Para sa iba pang options for your displays. Then you have the red part dito, red section, white lines, gold na knee pads, and then you have the feet. Mas slim yung armor design niya. Okay? Compared dito sa Mark 7. Yung Mark 7 medyo mas angular. Yung Mark 85 mas muscular siyang tingnan. Dito mas regular or mas angular yung shape ng armor design. So you have the shoulder sections, the face plate, yan. Tapos meron kang arc reactor. Arc reactor is white. Yan. And then you have the gold parts here, the gauntlets. Meron din siyang effect part. Yan, ito yung effect part niya. Translucent orange. Then you have the stomach section, may mga panel lines siya. Tapos dito sa may legs, you have the silver part and the gold part. Tapos yung kanyang leg protectors, ganda rin ang ganda rin, very angular din yung design. Okay? So we have Rescue armor. Rescue color palette is siguro mas blue dito sa part, parang may indigo na kasama. Meron din siyang effect part na translucent orange. Then you have the desaturated gold, the white eyes, white arc reactor, the silver, or is this silver or very desaturated? I think this is silver. Yeah, I think this is silver. Ito mas gold siya tingnan, pero parang pareho lang eh. Mas slimmer yung overall design ni Rescue. And then meron din nakasulat dito, Rescue 0049. This is the Mark 49 na armor. Yan, Mark 49. Then we have Thor. Look at that. Very tall. This is around, I think 4.25 inches or 4.5 inches tall. Mas maliliit yung scale ng mga figures na to, pero ganda. Pwede nyo siyang gawing desk toy for your office, when you're working, when you're chilling, tapos nag-game kayo about yun nga, Marvel, tapos gusto nyo lang magkaroon ng mga desk displays. Kami, nanonood kami ngayon ng Loki. So, ginagawa namin, naka-display si Loki dun sa sa ilalim ng TV. Yan, siya yung nakatayo dun. So, ngayon, kinuha ko muna. Yan, para meron tayong i-review. Okay, look at the hammer of Thor. Very nice, very cool. Silver, tapos yung handle niya brown. Then you have the cape. Di siya cloth, pero ang ganda nung pagiging dynamic nung flow nung cape niya. Then you have the circular na mga sections here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang steel yung kanyang chest armor. Pati dito sa kanyang arms. Hanggang dito sa gauntlets. Steel din yung kanyang belt, and then the suit niya blue. Meron ding steel sections dito sa kanyang knee pads hanggang na nag-extend down dito sa kanyang legs. And then yung kanyang shoes, meron ding mga black parts dito sa ilalim. So very nice. And then yung face sculpt is very cool too. Ganda ng pagka-paint ng mata. And then you have the mustache, the beard, and the hair. Yung hair niya para siyang, it's a light shade of brown or brown orange. Next, Captain America. Okay, kay Captain America naman, yung suit niya hindi siya primary blue, para siyang may halong green, parang malapit na siya sa turquoise, para siyang Prussian blue. Okay, and then you have the star in the middle, silver star, tapos meron texture dito, super nice. And then you have the brown, leather brown straps, pati dito sa kanyang boot design. And then this is very cool, yung kanyang shield. Ang ganda ng shield niya, very glossy. So you have the silver star, blue section, red, silver, and red. Ganda. Laki pa. Ganda, parang siguro mga 1.5 yung diameter. And then tanggalin ko muna sa base Ayan, para ma-post natin na maayos. Ganda rin ang face sculpt. Tapos yung kanyang face, lighter skin. Then you have the nose, the mouth, the chin strap, letter A sa head. Tapos pwede mo ring equip dito sa likod. Nice, that's nice. Yun, yan, pwede rin palang ganyan or something like that. Yan, galing. Pwede mo rin pala siyang equip sa likod. Okay, nice. That's a very nice feature kay Captain America. And then you have Loki. Ito yung pinapanood namin ngayon. Loki na series sa Disney Plus. You have the horns, the golden armor, helmet armor. Very nice armor design. Very nice suit. Green, gloss green dito sa part na to. And then you have the gold links na nagko-connect dito sa left and right na green section. You have the shoulder armor. Ito pala, shoulder armor. The arms are green. Ito, gray yung kanyang inner suit. Tapos, green yung kanyang boots and gold yung kanyang knee pads. And then you have the feet, dark gray din. Very nice suit design for Loki. And then ang pinakagusto ko dito yung part na to, meron siyang scepter. Yan. Yung scepter. Mas ganda. The pointed, hindi naman siya masyadong pointed, so pwede siya for kids. Yan. And also pwede niya rin ipahawak kay sa iba't ibang characters. So, pwede kay Thor, pwede kay Iron Man. Okay. Then we have Black Panther. Very nice design. So black lang talaga siya. Ganda ng face sculpt. The head armor pala. So have the silver details ng kanyang necklace, diamonds. Meron din dito sa kanyang belt, sa kanyang knee pads, and sa kanyang ankle or sa legs pala. Dito din sa kanyang armor or sa gauntlet, meron din textures, pati dito diamond textures naman. Okay, at the back meron din siyang mga lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 6 9 12 na lines dito at the back of the legs. Okay, very nice. And then you have Thanos, grabe, armored Thanos to mga mamsir, pero wala yung may sleeve ba siya dun? Hindi ko matandaan kung meron siyang sleeve. Kung merong sleeve si Thanos dun. Tanggalin natin yung stand and look at the weapon. Ang ganda nitong weapon niya. Ito yung pinakagusto ko rito. You have the silver blade, gold handle, purple skin. Medyo ayan, ganda ng pagkakapaint ng mga eyes. Hindi sila goofy tingnan. Then you have the helmet, gold din. Color palette niya gold, dark purple, tsaka light purple, and then silver. You have the waist. Ang ganda ng waist armor kasi na-articulate din yung kanyang front, back, and sides. So you can move the feet at a greater range. Something like that. Okay? Yan. Okay? So yun yung pinaka gusto ko dito kay Thanos, yung weapon niya. Okay? Last but not the least, si Hulk. So same lang lahat ng articulation, na feature na rin natin articulation kay Iron Man, pero ito si Hulk ngayon. It's a green body. Meron din mga dark parts dito sa kanyang chest. Parang mas comic book style yung executions. Tapos dito rin may lines din dito. Yung mga lines na ginagawa nila mas glossy compared dun sa mismong plastic. Ito kasi green, tapos ito hindi siya purple pero very very dark, parang nasa gray na nga siya eh. Ayan. Tapos dito yung design ng kanyang feet parang may armor eh. Ayan. Hindi siya muscular, parang may armor siya. Yung knee pads. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang stylized naman kasi siya talaga. So dito rin mas pointed yung design eh. Pati dito kay Thanos stylized din yung design niya. Tapos you have the hair black. Tapos medyo angry yung expression niya. Okay. Hello sir, Pinoy Toy Review, how are you? Oh sir, mag-email ka lang kay Blockies, just like what we do. Try mo lang mag send ng email. So yun, actually tapos na yung review natin. Kinausap ko lang si PTR dun sa kabilang chat kasi simultaneous yung ginagawa natin. So we have the live, meron tayong live review, and we have the recording ng YouTube video. Kaya tapos na tayo. So we have Hulk, Black Panther, Thanos, Captain America, Rescue, Iron Man Mark 85, Iron Man Mark 7, tapos Iron Man, Thor, if you have Thor, and Loki. Yan, okay. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.